Good morning students. Today we will see R.S. Agrawal class 7th chapter 2 exercise 2B question number 4. Exercise 2B question number 4. Apples are sold at rupees 48 4/5 per kg. What is the cost of 3/4 kg of apples? I will read the question once again. Apples are sold at rupees 48 4/5 per kg. What is the cost of 3/4 kg of apples? So we can solve question number 4. Question number 4. We can write cost of apples. Cost of apples 1 kg. It is written per kg. So we can write 1 kg of apple. That is rupees 48 4/5 rupees. Then we wanted to find cost of 3/4 kg apples. So we should multiply. 48 4/5 into 3/4. First we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. We will change improper fraction. 244/5 into 15/4. 15/4. We can cut 5 and 15. It will come 3. So 4 and 2 44. 4 6 4 1. We got the numbers 61 into 3. 61 into 3. That means rupees 183. That is our answer. So we can write hence cost of 3/4 kg of apple is rupees 183. This is our answer. Now we will solve question number 5. Cloth is being sold at rupees 42 1/2 per meter. What is the cost of 3/5 meter of this cloth? I will read the question once again. Cloth is being sold at rupees 42 1/2 per meter. What is the cost of 3/5 meters of this cloth? We should find out total amount. So we should multiply here. Then question number 5. We can write cost of cloth. In 1 meter, that is rupees 42 1/2 in 5 3/5 meter. We should find out what is the cost of 5 3/5 meter. We should multiply. 40 to 1 upon 2 multiply 5, 3 upon 5. 42 into 2 plus 1. That is 85 upon 2 multiply 28 upon 5. We can cut 2 and 28. That is 40. 5 and 85. It will come 70. So we should multiply 17 into 40. We should multiply 17 into 40. We should multiply 70 into 40. We can do a rough work. 17 into 40. We got the answer 238. We got the answer 238. We can conclude, hence, the cost of 3 upon 5 meter of cloth is rupees 238. 238.